Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to unpair Bluetooth device on MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open your MacBook and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. After that, you just need to go and of course check out what we have in front of us here. So, as you can see in the top left corner, we have the Finder, we have the File and Edit. We also have the View, Go, Window, and Help options. In the top right corner, we have, of course, the date, Wi-Fi, battery, and all of those things. And in the bottom side, we have your applications, which you, of course, we are using the most. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and unpair Bluetooth device on a MacBook. So, first of all, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select System Settings. So click on the Apple and click on System Settings. After that, in the sidebar, click on Bluetooth. So you have Wi-Fi, network, have your name, everything. You just need to go and click on Bluetooth. Now find the device you want to unpair in the list of paired Bluetooth devices. Click the X or Remove button next to the device name to unpair it. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Remove to unpair the device. Your MacBook will no longer automatically connect to unpaired Bluetooth devices. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.